他会画，会画，画了给您看。
Okay, well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is our first time we try to introduce the in English because we have our vice mayor here. So we try. Well, welcome everybody to attend this nice annual art exhibition for the Taiwanese Art Association. We put this 9 years ago, and the main purpose we try to encourage the local Taiwanese artists that they put up so much work to demonstrate the art of Taiwan, and so we put them together, and once a year let them to exhibit their artwork. So in the past, every year we have our artists to introduce themselves first, and then we have all our guests to say a few words for us to encourage. And right now, I would like to get the Kevin, why don't you speak first? You can speak in whatever you like.
My name is Helen, and my Taiwanese name is Huang H-U-N, and I come from Tainan, Taiwan. And I've been here a long time, like 40-some years ago. I moved to the United States. And by the time I started to help over more time, and I started to enroll in the California College of Art, and I graduated there. And from there, I really fall in love with art. And the first, before I come out of Taiwan, I thought I'd take some of my culture with me to the United States. So I went to the Chinese class to study painting. And I'm very lucky I had a wonderful teacher. And since I come here, I taught the Chinese brush painting and extends our culture to the local. And in the end, I go to all over the place to exhibition. I'm very lucky, and I can go to school, and I study the Western art. And that's why my painting is still here. They really help me stay here. My principle now is to educate the young people. I've been taught like 30 years in this local area, and now I go to outreach program to extend my art to the young people, and I enjoy that very much. And thank you so much for coming to our exhibition. It's our honor. Thank you.
It's never too late to learn how to paint. So you probably don't know her age. You can check with her. She's our
18
senior.
years old.
So it's never too late to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one, we like to get the
My name is Nina Xi. I joined this exhibition. This is my 6th year. Every year I can see myself grow a lot. So thank you for coming. And next week is Thanksgiving. We are so thankful. We have this place and people helping us to set up all this for us to have the chance to show for everybody. And thank you for coming, take your time and enjoy our artwork. Thank you.
Actually, she still works. She's an engineer, and after work she put up so much time. You can see her picture is so excellent. So I hope you spend some time to enjoy. Next one, we like to have Wang Lao.
This is my 2nd year to join this club, and I have been teaching art for about 30 years. I'm graduated from the Taiwan Academy of Art. I enjoy, but everybody, I think everybody draw from their kid like a drawer. But, probably I have the traditional training, so basically a lot of technique we learn a lot from school. And I come to USA, I learned the art in here too. The totally different American teaching in Taiwan is different, totally different. They teach you a lot of skill in Taiwan, and then they encourage you go to create or anything. But in here, everything's created for you. Draw anything you want to draw, create anything you want to create. So when I teaching the kids drawing, I combine both. I think both is very important for the kids to draw, for every artist too. So I combine both. I always tell the kids that your parents send you a lot of talent. This talent is not everybody has. So you gotta, how to use your talent to explore, don't waste it. I think that to myself is true. I always tell myself too. So I do a sculpture, I do a pottery, I do the oil painting. I enjoy every kind of art because when you want to try to show something to you want to exploration for yourself. You want to try to do something. You think of what kind of art that show you want to show your picture. So I do a lot of different kind of watercolor, ink, everything. I welcome everybody come to here, and then we use our skill, color, pen, canvas, paper, draw the picture. But like they probably use their mouth to speak. Right? So
Yeah, very human.
Everybody can leave their lips. They're going to speak a good speech for you. But watch our picture. Use your eye, watch our color.
Right.
Okay? All right. Thank you, everybody, coming here.
One has a studio in Cupertino, so anyone interested in to learn how to painting and can join this class. Next one we like to have Kim, and you can speak whatever.
中文他们的谢谢大家来参加我们今年是第9届台湾画会的展览，谢谢大家光临。我叫朱珠环，我是专攻水彩画。我画画，我是家庭主妇，所以我画画纯粹是我的兴趣。如果知道我的人都知道我很喜欢画鱼，像金鱼，还有那个兰花，这是我的最爱。今年比较特别，我今年画了一些人物，这些作品是可以反映我们的生活，也可以说是台美人的生活，台湾人在美国的生活，一部分就像打麻将，到那个buffet自助餐吃饭，那个花妈妈体，我是固定礼拜6会去花妈妈体去逛一逛，就是这样。我们今天每一部作品都是精心杰作，希望大家好好的欣赏。那个感恩节快到了，希望大家节日愉快。谢谢。